In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make calls through Pipedrive. To begin, make sure you are logged in to Pipedrive and you are looking at the right record for the person you want to call. You can start from either a deal or a contact. The process is the same in both places, so choose whichever one you are already working in. Open the deal or open the contact, and take a moment to confirm you are in the correct record. This helps prevent calling the wrong person, especially if several contacts have similar names. Once you are on the deal or contact page, look for the phone number section. Next to the phone number, you will see a small phone icon. Click that phone icon. This is the action that tells Pipedrive you want to place a call using the number saved on the record. If there are multiple phone numbers listed, be sure you are selecting the icon next to the correct one before you continue. After you click the phone icon, a pop-up will appear with call options. In that pop-up, select Phone. This choice routes the call through your phone instead of another calling method, and it keeps the experience simple and consistent when you are working across desktop and mobile. Next, click Start Call on Mobile app. This hands the call off to your mobile device, so you can place the call from your phone while still initiating it from Pipedrive. Keep your phone nearby and unlocked, and make sure notifications are enabled for the Pipedrive app, since that is how the final dialing step is triggered. Now check your phone. You will receive a notification related to the call you just started. Tap that notification, and your phone will open the dialer with the number ready to go, so you can place the call immediately. At this point, you are calling as you normally would on your device, but the call was initiated directly from the contact information stored in Pipedrive. That covers everything you need to know.